Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, I'm out on a shoot, but we're changing hotels, and I had the day off. So, I thought it would be fun, instead of taking the highway from one hotel or one location to the next, I'm taking, the dirt road. Let's see if it'll focus for us. Yeah. So this is what I'm up to. I did not bring my microphone, so the audio is probably not going to be very good because it's just going to be the built-in mic on the camera. But I thought I'd bring everybody along on my little adventure through the forest. I pretty much have all day. It's currently noon. And I pretty much have all day to go hour and a half drive via highway, and it's probably going to take me a little longer here, but this is going to be way more fun. So yeah, check it out. Awesome. So that was pretty fun. I am like the main road, the highway is right there, and I realized I haven't flown at all yet. So there's this cool little creek with all these really beautiful yellow fall colors, and I have a bunch of gear in here. Give me 1 second. Inside of this giant Pelican case, I have all my quads and blah blah blah. But this little guy, this is Cine-Splorer. Whatever. It's FPV Cycle, Bob Roogie's cinewhoop. It's pretty cool. It's very small. It's super compact. It actually uses like a toothpick or like a whoop board, and then these really awesome 2203 3450 kV motors. And I'm really excited to try giving it a shot because all I did was hover it in my house, but it seems like it has a lot of power because it's so lightweight, and it's got a caddx inside and a whoop board, and I'm going to carry a Gopro 9 and 1300 milliamp 4S's, and it should be cool. I mean, I guess let's find out. major hats off to Bob Roogie for these motors and this frame, because that flies better than any cinewhoop I've ever flown. I actually am not a big fan of the squirt. I think it's like, it has all these yaw problems and warbles and wobbles, and so actually all my cinewhoops that I fly are geysers with the larger 2207 motors. Like, it's a bit heavier, it's a little bit bigger, but it flies a lot better. This is smaller and lighter and flies really well. Like, what in the... I'm gonna fly another pack because that was awesome. Okay, new spot. This is like 100 feet up the road from where I just was. But yeah, I'm gonna fly another pack or two. Well, I only got 2 packs, so I'm gonna fly the rest of my packs. I'm super stoked on this thing. This is like, I've never really been a fan of cinewhoops just because their flight performance is pretty meh. But this really, if they can figure out how to make those ducks more durable, then I'm so down, dude. Like, this is so good. Oh, I almost tripped. All right, I'm gonna fly. I'm so excited. So I'm editing the video. I'm realizing I never really did a wrap up or any sort of explanation on my final thoughts on the Cine-Splorer from FPV Cycle. So first off the bat, it flies really well. I think a huge part of that is those 2203 motors from FPV Cycle. And my fears about the durability of the PLA ducks, I was just looking on the website at fpvcycle.com, and I saw that they have a new V3 of those ducks that are made out of PETG, so that should help with my durability concerns. So I'll definitely be ordering some of those to throw onto that Cine-Splorer over there. But yeah, I mean, really, that cinewhoop flew so much better than any other cinewhoop I've flown, and I was just really, really impressed with it. It made me feel like I was fighting the drone less, and I could just explore and be creative instead of really thinking about how I was flying the drone and how I need to fly around the quirks of the drone. I kind of just did whatever I want, and the little guy kicked butt. So other than that, as for settings and whatnot, it's literally just the Emu Flight tune pulled straight from one of Bob Roogie's YouTube videos, so he did all the work there. I just copied and pasted it pretty much, and threw my own rates in there. And then as for the GoPro, I'm shooting GoPro 9 wide, and then it's stabilized in Reelsteadi after the fact with just default settings. I literally just threw it in there, click save, done. So not too much post editing there. And yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll be making more of these as I explore more about cinewhoops. Thank you.